Namaste friends, I welcome you in our third Hindi lesson today, and today we are going to learn adjectives in Hindi and their uses. Let me tell you, there are two types of adjectives in Hindi: inflecting adjectives and invariable adjectives. Inflecting adjectives, those adjectives ending with the vowel a, it inflect their endings. That means that a change to e for feminine singular and plural, and a for masculine plural. For example, acha. Acha is ending with the a. For feminine it become achi. For feminine singular and plural it become achi, and ache for masculine plural. So every adjective that end with the a must change to e for feminine singular and plural, and a for masculine plural. Friends, you know, in Hindi adjective change according to number and gender of the object. That's why it inflect. So another example of these adjectives are bada, bada, which means big, change to badi for feminine singular and plural, and bade for masculine plural. Chota is small, change to choti for feminine singular and plural, and chote for masculine plural. Naya is new, which end with the a, change to feminine singular nayi, and naye for masculine plural, which means new. Purana, purana is for old, for things and object, not for elderly age people. Never use for old age people. Purana, change to purani for feminine singular and plural, and purane for masculine plural. Sasta is cheap. Sasti for feminine singular and plural. Saste is for masculine plural. Mahanga is expensive. Mahangi for feminine singular and plural, and mahange is for masculine plural. Khula, khula is open. Khuli for feminine singular and plural, and khule is for masculine plural. Ganda, which is messy, dirty. Gandhi is for feminine singular and plural. Gande is for masculine plural. Mota, which is thick or fat, change to moti for feminine singular and plural, and for masculine plural it's become mote. Patla, which means thin or skinny, change to feminine singular patli, and masculine plural form that become patle. So these are the example of inflecting adjective. And let me tell you, there are so many colors in Hindi. Most of the colors comes in this category. For example, kala, which means black, it inflect kali and kale. Then we have bhura, which is brown. Same, bhuri for feminine singular and plural. Masculine plural to be bhure. Pila, which is yellow. Again inflect pili and pile. Hara is masculine singular, which means green. Change to hari for feminine singular and plural, and hare is for masculine plural. So these are the name of the colors which are mostly inflecting, and they change according to number and gender of the object. Now let us learn about invariable adjectives. Invariable adjectives remain unchanged in singular or plural. The example of invariable adjectives are Sundar, which means beautiful, Saaf, which is clean, Garam, which is warm or hot, Safed, which is white, Happy, which is khush, khush, Naraz, is displeased. Udaas is sad. Khubsurat, handsome. Then we have pagal, which is most common words, and this is very popular among the foreign peoples. They like this word pagal, which is crazy. Then shakahari. Shakahari is vegetarian. Mansahari is meat eater. And your favorite word is swadist, means delicious. So these are the examples of invariable adjectives. Now let us learn how to use them. So first we will be going through inflecting adjectives. So we have already learned the nouns and pronouns, and now we are learning adjectives. So how we will combine noun, pronoun with adjectives. So let's have example. If you say this room is big, this room is big. This is a pronoun, room is a noun, and big is an adjective. So we are using noun, pronoun and adjective. So in Hindi, this would be this room big is. As you know that verb comes always at the end of sentence. So this would be ye kamra bada hai. Now question, why not badi? Why not bade? It must be clear to you, since room is a masculine type one ending with the a, so this adjective change according to kamra. Kamra is a masculine singular noun. That's why it is bada. So it will be ye kamra bada hai. Let's have another example. If we change this sentence to these rooms are big. Now pronoun become plural, this change to this, room become rooms, and adjective is big. So in Hindi, this would be this room big are. So this would be these rooms big are. So this would be ye kamre bade hain. So everything changes. Before it was singular, now this is plural. Ya become ye, which is plural form of ye. Then kamra become kamre because of the multiple rooms. Then we have big, which become bade because of the rooms. Kamre. The adjective change according to the nouns. So ye kamre bade hain. So in this example, adjective bada become bade because of the rooms. Now more examples. If we say this table is clean, this table is clean, we are using a table which is a feminine type 2 nouns. If you remember in the last class we learned this table is clean. Clean comes under invariable adjective. It does not affect whatever the noun, whatever the nouns are, whatever the pronouns are. So ye मेज साफ है, ये मेज साफ है. This is a clean table. But if we say these are clean tables, these are clean tables, here adjective is the same, clean. Tables change, pronoun changes. So this would be ये साफ मेजें हैं. So in this example, you might notice that there is no effect on adjective. Saaf is the same as it was in previous example. That's why this is invariable adjective. I hope it is clear to you. Now some more examples. If you say These rooms are open. These rooms are open. Rooms कमरे, ये कमरे खुले हैं. ये कमरे खुले हैं. कमरे because it's plural, खुला changed to खुले because of the rooms. So overall, what we are trying to tell you that adjectives change according to number and gender of the objects. So in a second, invariable adjective, we learn so many adjectives. So if you have example of invariable adjectives, which is white, सफेद. So if we say this house is white, this house is white, ये घर सफेद है. This means one house. But if you say these houses are white, so this would be ये घर सफेद हैं. ये घर सफेद हैं. So घर remain unchanged. You know, this is masculine type 2 nouns, they don't change in the ending. And same here, adjective, invariable adjective, they don't change. So that's why this is ये घर सफेद हैं. So in this class I wanted to differentiate between using inflecting adjectives and invariable adjectives. I hope you like it, and if you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe me. Thank you so much for watching this video.